Okay, this is Zabaglione, which is a beautiful, simple dessert that I learned in Italy. It's on the menu at Rosina and I absolutely love it. There's a nice story here too. Stick around. For Zabaglione, this is effectively a sabayon. So all we need is egg yolks. That in there is 7 egg yolks. They're going over the top of hot water. Sugar is going in here and then we're going to whisk. That's all. Don't put the yolks on top of the water. Just you want the heat of the water just to slowly start to cook the eggs, just to bring that up. So as the temperature is coming into those eggs and sugar, we're creating a sabayon, right? We're just bringing that eggs and sugar up to really light and fluffy. And we're just gonna make the most simple, beautiful dessert. You can make this before your friends come for dinner. In restaurants, we make this beforehand and hold on to it, and we just finish it to order. It's really quick and simple. We cook it in our wood oven as well in Rosina, which I love. All you need to do is get some really first-class berries. Like anything, it's only as good as the sum of its parts. So if you buy the best berries, you'll get the best dessert. If you don't, you'll get an average dessert. I can't help you there. So what you need to do, strawberries, blueberries, cherries, raspberries, could be some gooseberries in there. All we need to do is sprinkle that with some sugar. I like to sprinkle with sugar and just leave it. We do this before the service happens, so they sort of steep a little bit and break down, and they become a little bit sweetened. Whisk in a figure of 8 manner, and you will create a really lovely ribbon stage sabayon. Very, very simple and beautiful. And we finish it with a wonderful wine of Vin Santo, which is a dessert wine which I love, and it just adds that caramelly dessert wine feeling and makes it unctuous. When you eat it, you just go, oh, like texture of marshmallow, sweetness of the sweet wine, the caramel flavour, the acid and acidity and sweetness of the berries. Lovely. And caramelise in the oven. Love it. See that starting to aerate now? You're waiting for the eggs to cook and stiffen up to get ribbon stage, right? Right, you get the ribbons, but they disappear, right? So you just need to be a few minutes further on than that. So basically the eggs are cooked is what you're looking for. Make sure you keep cleaning that bowl round, otherwise you will end up with uncooked bits of egg, or overcooked bits of egg, sorry, on the side of the bowl. You don't want that. Right, let's come off that water for a minute. So a nice story about this is that we did this trip from Milan all the way down to Calabria, exploring producers and working with chefs and working with little nonnas in their houses. We did amazing things. And we did an accumulation and we cooked all the ingredients one night. It was fantastic. Saverio, one of the senior chefs at Rosina, and my daughter decided to cook a meal. I cooked the main courses and they cooked dessert. And this is the dessert they cooked because they didn't have anything else. They just had some eggs and some sugar. They cooked this dessert and we decided we loved it so much we just left it on the menu. So therein lies the story of the Zabaglione at Rosina. In goes the Vin Santo. Vin Santo is a sweet wine from Italy and just has that sort of caramelly, fruity note to it. Really helps, it's delicious. You could just store this ready to go now. Done. Right, all we do now, we just pop some steeped fruit like this, right? So a little cherry, whatever's in season, whatever's great. Keep it away from the edge a little bit. It's the simplest dessert I know. We sell loads of these, people love it. And it's very simple for the chefs to deliver. A little strawberry, raspberry, lovely. And then we'll fill the middle with some nice blueberries. We then take the sabayon, goes over the top of our berries. Right, and then that goes into the wood oven at Trinity. Here we're just going to go into a normal oven like this. A couple of minutes. Okay, here we go. Obviously hot plate. There's our Zabaglione with berries. What I do is finish that with a tiny bit of coffee, ground coffee. Goes onto the hot sabayon. It's really nice. And then a little bit of grated lemon. That's it. That is my Zabaglione with berries and Vin Santo that is on the menu at Rosina, and I think it will be there for quite some time. Come and see us there. Enjoy it. I love that dessert. I'm going to have some right now.